Hi everyone and welcome back to another YouTube video, and we partnered with DYU again.
Mark right and left comes with a key for the battery. It comes with a for the axle part for the front wheel. The power charger comes with a really nice handy multi-tool. You can use that afterwards as well. Comes with 3 tabs here for protecting your nuts, a water bottle holder and spanners. So really good. Also comes with a nice bike instruction manual, and I've had a look through it. Comes with a QR code as well, quick response code, and it also is very detailed. So let's crack on. You can see that this is the way the bike comes. Obviously it comes in a great big cardboard box. It comes fairly well packed. I've taken the front wheel off already. As you can see here, lots of tubing and lots of these straps. So you pull the forks round so this is facing the front. So obviously where the handlebars are going to go, these handlebars are going to be pulled up into here at time. But what we can do first is fit the front mudguard. Okay, nice and simple really. This will just fit in, backside in through. So this will come through the front here. This will go on here. We've got Allen key here, and then the 2 stems, we've got Allen key the side of here. Okay, so I'll screw that on and then we'll come back to that once it's on. Here, this side here, and then screw it in place. Just take up a few threads in here. As you notice, that's the closed position, so when you're putting it on, put it into the open position. It gives you that little bit more play, so you can get the front wheel on. Okay. You don't want to misalign the disc pads as it goes in. So as you can see here, it just slides in the top there, and then will locate itself on the bolt. As before, I've showed you with the Allen key, I've located it in the calipers here, so it's sitting in there, but it's sitting in here loose because I want to make sure this is the right height first. So when I'm happy with the height of this and it's going to clear, I've got enough clearance here. If I want a little bit more, I can pull that up and just tighten this up here. Just make sure, nip it up with your Allen key. Okay, make sure it's nice and tight. Okay, once it's like that, what you can do then is the same with all quick release bolts on the wheels here, is you hold one side here and you hold the other, and you just tighten this up by hand. So what we're going to do now is align the stem. So if you look down the stem from the top, you want to line this in line with your tyre here. So, you know, if it's not in line, then just try to line that up as best you can. Then either side of here on the stem, you've got an Allen key this side and an Allen key on the top on the other side. And all you're going to do with those is just to tighten that up, both sides. Okay, so I put the 4 Allen key bolt in for the handlebars. You can see here it's got like a it's not like a sniper scope here with various degrees on the side. So it gives you a good idea to line this up to central where you want it. Okay, so now what we're going to put the gearing on. That goes onto the handlebar. We've removed the grip off the side. So what it is with these handle grips here, they've got 2 Allen keys here. All that does is slide off. Really good, neat design actually. Quite nice that. So this will slide on here. Again, you know, leaving it relatively loose. Then the brake arm will go on here. Hi. Now, what we're going to do now is connect up the main controller here through here with this orange, and you can see orange to orange. The thing you can see about it as well, it's got 3 metal pins in there that have got to locate into the holes here. Then you've got a little sliding nodule at the top there that locates into the sliding bit here. It is very important that you line these up, because these pins, if once bent, they're damaged. So make sure when you line them up, so line the 2 up here. You've got 2 arrows on the top as well. They will click into place. See the 2 arrows together? Ever so easy. Place. It does say left on the pedal as well on here. Just start it off in there, so it will start off. And see, it winds in by itself. When you get to a certain point, and you engage the spanner and then just bring it round here until you feel it tightens up, and just give it a pinch in so it doesn't come undone.
Okay.
Okay, so now we're going to put the seat on. So the seat here, it has got a markings around here, and it says there minimum insertion up to this point. So what you can't do, especially if you're a taller rider, have the seat above that. It must go in there, because otherwise you're in danger of it collapsing and falling off. So all it does is you open up this, so you can open up the adjustable nut here, slide it in place. Now you can adjust this later on at your convenience for your height, and then once in place you can start then to feel how tight you want this. Tighten the back nut up first here, and then bring the other one into play here. Push it in nice and tight, and again just line it up through the frame. You could start them up by hand and then just get your Allen key in there and then put them in nice and tight into the frame. What I'd say is just do it reasonably loose, because you want to get the other one in there, just to allow you a little bit of play to locate that Allen bolt first of all. Okay, so get that into place. And again, you can then just, they're nice and easy to get in the frame, these. So hand tighten them first. That's with the long end of the Allen key, and then use the short end now, then just to pinch them up.
Okay.
Okay, so we've got the kickstand to go on. So what you've got is you've got two holes here ready for these Allen bolts to go through. They've got 3 washers on them, so keep all the washers in place. It's important these don't come undone. This locates behind the frame, so it's a little bit fiddly to line them up first. So if you get one of them in, and then just by hand just start to pinch them up, you'll find that'll go in. And again, the other one the same. Pinch in there, just fiddle around until you feel it bite in place. Then you can use the long end of the Allen key just to nip them up into place.
Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the Stroller DYU e-bike assembly. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next YouTube video.